Welcome to the instructions video for the Inverting Buck-Boost Converter Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you design DC-DC converters that produce negative output voltages from positive inputs. It calculates duty cycle, inductor values, and capacitor requirements for your power supply designs. To use this calculator, start by entering your input voltage in volts, which is your source DC voltage. Next, enter your desired output voltage, remembering this will be a negative value for an inverting converter. Input your switching frequency in kilohertz, typically between 50 and 500 kilohertz for most designs. Then specify your load current in milliamps or amps. The calculator also needs your inductor current ripple percentage and output voltage ripple requirements. Once all values are entered, click the Calculate button. The results will show you the required duty cycle as a percentage, the minimum inductor value needed for continuous conduction mode, and the output capacitor value to meet your ripple specifications. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out for all your design needs.